Today is all about Gelcoat repairs. Got about 5 little spots to get sorted. So here we've got one of them. That one also needs doing. And then we've got another one that needs doing. And here a tiny little spot. Yeah, so what we'll do, we'll clean that up a bit with acetone. Tape it off. First I'm just going to tidy the edges. So now we can clean that with acetone. Could use nail varnish, nail polish, a nail polish remover. So that's clean. Now I can tape off the area around it. This will help considerably in the amount of work sanding this after I put the Gelcoat repair on. So I'll show you what we need for this job. Top coat with a hardener. Here we've got white pigment, which we'll mix in. Some sticks for the dosing in the mixing pots. And some little trowels for actually spreading the stuff on. This stuff is clear. And important is first add the colour, so you're happy with the colour, before you add the hardener, because you've only got 20 minutes to play around with the hardener. So let's get that mixed in a bit.
That's how much change? I don't know how much change it is.
Now we add the hardener. 1, 2, 3 drops. 3, 4. Mix that in really well, that hardener. We've got some clear film here, which I'll cover the mend with, which flattens it out, getting rid of bubbles. This to me still a bit too runny. It is. I've got to wait a bit. So I took the beam off the back of the boat, put it horizontal to stop the stuff running out. I think I didn't have enough hardener in it, that's why it was taking so long to be get more tacky. I'll put some film on that. We'll see how that goes. I've also filled up that one, put film on it. And there was a little scratch there which I filled, also got some film on there, you can see. So as you can see, I've taken the blue tape off and partially successful. There was a bubble in there which has risen to the top. I sand that down and give it a second round. The same applies on these ones. 1, 2 and 3. This one's looking quite good, in fact. Good idea having that horizontal, and that just needs sanding, and I reckon we'll be good to go on that. You see there's still a small hole there. Once I've got that sanded, I might fill it a second time. I've been working all day this Sunday. I've done the Gelcoat repair for a second time. I've just completed sanding that. Here is one. Here's the other one. You can see a slight colour difference, but not too much of a problem. There it is. Well, I'm quite proud about that, because I can see a previous repair here, I suppose done by the previous owner. Where are they? Here's one. Here's the other. This is one to be proud of as well. You can see the slight colour difference there, but there's all sorts of other stuff going on here. I just filled up the hole.